Their upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra may just be the iPhone killer we've been waiting for. Early hints point to the S24 Ultra comprehensively outpacing the iPhone 15 Pro Max to become the undisputed monarch of smartphones. But will it destroy the iPhone through sheer innovation or resort to petty mocking? Let's examine what Samsung has brewing and see if the S24 Ultra can dethrone the iPhone 15 Pro Max without mockery. Bigger and brighter display. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to flaunt an even more impressive display than its predecessor, with a screen size and resolution designed to outshine the iPhone 15 Pro Max's already stellar display. At 6.8 inches, the enormous Galaxy S23 Ultra display already beats the 6.7-inch screen on the latest iPhone. And we can expect the S24 Ultra to retain that massive, immersive size. Every fraction of an inch counts when you want the biggest possible display on a smartphone without going foldable. But the S24 Ultra will likely one-up the iPhone on more than just size. Rumors point to a jump in resolution from the S23 Ultra's QHD to an astounding QHD Plus on the S24 Ultra. While not a huge change, it's still sharper than the iPhone's Super Retina XDR display. And with a rumored peak brightness of 2,800 nits, the S24 Ultra could be eye-searingly vibrant, outshining the iPhone 15 Pro Max's still impressive 2,000 nits. Overall, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is shaping up to deliver Samsung's most stunning smartphone display yet, one that should easily surpass the already great iPhone 15 Pro Max screen on both size and quality. 144Hz refresh rate. While both the iPhone 15 Pro Max and Galaxy S23 Ultra offer silky smooth 120Hz displays, leaks suggest the S24 Ultra will crank things up even further with a 144Hz refresh rate. That means scrolling, swiping, and playing supported games could look and feel more fluid than ever. Of course, 120Hz is already extremely responsive for most users. But for those who want the absolute cutting-edge performance, that extra 24Hz could make a noticeable difference in perceiving on-screen motion. It gives the S24 Ultra bragging rights over the iPhone 15 Pro Max's display, even if both phones are already extremely responsive for everyday use. With a higher peak refresh rate, the S24 Ultra promises to take an already buttery smooth experience on the S23 Ultra and kick it up yet another notch. It shows Samsung's commitment to making its flagship display the most advanced in the industry, and it demonstrates their intent to clearly surpass what Apple offers on their best iPhone screen: 200MP camera with 1-inch sensor. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to one-up its own industry-leading 200MP camera sensor from the S23 Ultra with an even larger 1-inch sensor size. This could allow it to thoroughly trounce the 48MP camera on the iPhone 15 Pro Max for both resolution and image quality. A 1-inch sensor in a smartphone camera would be unprecedented and could result in unprecedented image quality. The large surface area means the sensor can capture way more light, allowing for brighter, sharper, more colorful, and detailed photographs. This gives the S24 Ultra the potential to set a new standard in smartphone photography. Of course, we'll have to wait and see if this rumor pans out. But if Samsung manages to stick a gargantuan 1-inch 200MP sensor into the S24 Ultra while retaining features like 10 times optical zoom, it could thoroughly demolish any rival phone camera, iPhone included. The S24 Ultra may turn out to have the greatest smartphone camera ever made if this ambitious upgrade comes true: dual telephoto zoom. While the iPhone 15 Pro Max offers 5 times optical zoom, rumors suggest the Galaxy S24 Ultra could offer both 3 times and 5 times optical zoom lenses. This dual telephoto lens setup would give users more flexibility when composing shots. Having the option to quickly toggle between a 3x mid-range zoom and a 5x long-range zoom in a single device is a potentially huge advantage over being limited to one fixed optical zoom level like on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It empowers the user to frame distant subjects at multiple levels of magnification right within the native camera app. The rumored dual telephoto lens design also helps close the gap left by removing the S23 Ultra's unique 10x optical zoom lens, which some users will surely miss. But the versatility of having both 3x and 5x optical zoom capability in one smartphone camera system is undeniably enticing. If Samsung includes dual zoom lenses on the S24 Ultra as rumored, it could be a real difference maker compared to the iPhone's lone fixed telephoto lens. Up to 16 GB of RAM. Extreme multitaskers will love the Galaxy S24 Ultra if rumors of up to 16 GB of RAM prove true. That's double the already generous 8 GB of RAM in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. While iOS and Android use system memory differently, having gobs of extra RAM could make a tangible difference in how many apps and browser tabs you can keep open at once without slowdowns. Even if 8 GB is plenty for most, having the option for 16 GB gives power users the ultimate future-proofing. Of course, that sky-high memory won't come cheap. The highest RAM configuration will likely only be available on the most expensive S24 Ultra models. But even just knowing Samsung is pushing the boundaries of possible smartphone RAM shows their commitment to making the S24 Ultra the utmost power user's phone. S Pen. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to retain support for Samsung's iconic S Pen stylus. This gives it a major advantage over the iPhone 15 Pro Max for users who desire precision input. The S Pen enables drawing, writing, and annotating with far more accuracy than using just a fingertip. Its Bluetooth connectivity allows for convenient remote gestures as well. While niche, the utility of having an integrated, responsive stylus for art and productivity work cannot be overstated for those who need it. Unless Apple eventually adds Apple Pencil support to iPhones, the S Pen gives the Galaxy S24 Ultra unique appeal for creatives, note-takers, and other stylus power users. It's a flagship feature that shows Samsung's commitment to equipping its top phone with the ultimate toolkit for versatile operation. Faster charging. While not best in class, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will likely retain the S23 Ultra's 45 watts wired charging speed. And that's still faster than the 27 watts charging of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. In real-world tests, the S23 Ultra reached a 57% charge in just 30 minutes on a 45 watts charger. The iPhone 15 Pro Max with a 20 watts charger only hit 41% in the same time. So, expect the S24 Ultra to continue charging up quicker than Apple's flagship. Of course, charging speed is determined by more than just wattage, but Samsung's higher charging capabilities do generally equate to less waiting to top up your phone. So if quick charging is a priority, the Galaxy S24 Ultra shapes up to maintain an advantage over the iPhone 15 Pro Max in this area. After breaking down the rumored upgrades coming to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it's clear this flagship isn't setting out to merely mock the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but rather to thoroughly outshine it across the board. With expected improvements to display quality, camera capabilities, processing power, RAM, charging speed, and S Pen support, the S24 Ultra is shaping up to handily surpass Apple's best in nearly every way. While both devices will surely impress in their own right, the Galaxy S24 Ultra looks ready to establish itself as the undisputed leader of next-gen smartphones through sheer feature domination rather than petty mockery. Rather than insulting rivals, Samsung appears focused on delivering their most spectacular Galaxy yet, one stacked with cutting-edge upgrades that leave the competition in the dust. The S24 Ultra likely won't waste effort ribbing the iPhone 15 Pro Max when it's poised to simply blow it out of the water as the world's most advanced smartphone. In the end, actions speak louder than words, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra's actions suggest it will do a whole lot more than merely mock its competition. It's gearing up for a knockout victory lap as Samsung's new flagship champion. So there you have it. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just looking to mock the iPhone 15 Pro Max, it's on a mission to outshine it in every possible way. And as always, stay tuned for the latest tech news and reviews right here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you found this video informative. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.